Welcome to our introductory video on constitutional law. What is constitutional law? Now, many people might have heard of the word constitution. Likewise, you too. Ghana has a constitution, the 1992 constitution. The United States of America has also got a constitution. Several countries have got constitutions. What is a constitution? Why do nations need constitution in the things that they do? There may be some other countries that may not have a pen-down constitution, like they have the UK. They have what we call the unwritten constitution. Yet, the idea of constitution seems to be so fundamental to the way the affairs of state is run. In this set of videos, we are going to discuss constitutional law in Ghana. Constitutionalism, basically, has got to do with the way in which the powers of government is expressed. That is, when we study constitutional law, we will be looking at some constitutional principles that will border on one, for example, principles of interpretation. How do we understand the wording, the structure of concepts of provisions that are put in the Constitution? The various organs, the judiciary, the legislature, and the executive, how do they coexist and how do they operate? That is part of the subject that we'll be talking about as institutional competence. When matters arise in governance of a country, is it the judiciary, the legislature, or the executive that is tasked to do that particular job? How do they define their roles? How do we even come with the idea of this division of labor as we are to speak? Also, we'll be looking at the guarantee of fundamental human rights of individuals and freedoms. People have got the right to be free, but how do the powers of states are exercised in the way in which the freedom of people are also equally guaranteed? This and many more subjects we are going to discuss under constitutional law in Ghana. We'll be looking at some constitutional theories, that is the philosophical underpinnings that govern the way the Constitution of 1992 was created. We will look at the supremacy of the Constitution, the separation of powers, the institutions of states like the judiciary, SHRAJ, the Electoral Commission, and many more. We'll look at fundamental human rights and freedoms as enshrined in the Constitution, and many, many more subjects and topics to be discussed. Stay tuned as I take you through an exciting episode and discussion of constitutional law in Ghana.